DJI Mini 2 controller is dead. What do you do? Stick around. TheCovertCrow is going to tell you.
You feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
I have a lifestyle piece here. I'm not happy. Are you having problems with the charge up and powering of your controller? Me too. Okay, here it is. There's your power button. There's your status bars for the battery to give you the indicators, how much power you have. This thing was plugged in for almost 24 hours. Supposed to push it once and push it again, and it's supposed to go, and there's the lights show up. Lets you know how much power the battery has. But this is what I refer to as a dead stick now. As you can see, the standard issue charging cable hooked up to the battery pack. We have full power. The batteries are ready to go. Controller, a dead stick. I figured I would get to the bottom of it and do the best I can to see what we can do to rectify and get this thing repaired. So my first opportunity, I got on the phone, contacted DJI representative here in Ontario, and I was told that there have been issues with regards to the controllers for the DJI Mini 2, and I'm not sure about the other models, but specifically as I'm an owner of this one, I wanted to give you guys some information and feedback as to what I learned and how we can get the situation rectified. The representative told me that first off, these things should be charged and kept operational every month or so, because if the thing sits around and doesn't get juice or activity to the batteries that are built into this device, the device will go dead and crap out on you. And that's exactly what's happened here. And I did see a couple videos online with regards to having a dead controller issue, but I didn't see much information about how it was rectified. The first piece of information I was given was for DJI.com. There apparently is the opportunity for you to go on and file a repair requisition or a request, and you can do that. Now, I did run into some complications with regard to this process. The process can be done for my friends in the US because there's options in there to punch in all your data online, and then they'll have a shipping label sent to you. The problems we had with myself and my unit in Canada is that when we tried to register, it wouldn't accept any of our Canadian data. That's a problem. So when I spoke with the customer service representative, they pointed me in the right direction. They took out all the data online, created the customer service claim or request, and now I have the email confirmation. They're gonna send me the shipping label within 48 hours. I'm gonna send this thing back to Texas because that's where they want it to go. Just this unit itself, not the rest of the drone or the batteries and whatnot. And then we'll see how long, could be 5 to 7 business days for the service, and then they'll ship it back to me. And not only that, was there any costs involved? Stand by for that. That'll be in the update video. Oh boy. Fingers crossed. That's what you gotta do when you have a DJI controller dead stick. Hope this was helpful for you. I'm TheCovertCrow. You can call me Ross. It's a lifestyle piece. Thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate all the support. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. You'll get notified when the next video drops. My channel is all about watches, sunglasses, lifestyle. See you on the next one.